Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create capital account in Zoho Books. So first, you may want to head over to books.zoho.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Accountant, then click on Chart of Accounts. Start creating a new account by clicking on the New button. And from this window, start filling out details about the new account you're trying to create, starting with the account type. So from here, we're going to pick equity. So you can search it up and click on it. Then next is give an account name for your new capital account. So I'm just going to name this sample capital account. Then you can also add in account code and description. Then once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!